Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get the best output for image to video generation. Okay, so this is if you have a still image that you want to animate. Now this could be a product image, this could just be any image that you want to animate, and I'll show you how. And this is all going to be through Gemini, and through Gemini now they have the new feature where you can actually just attach an image and animate it. So I'm going to show you what I did and the output, and this is first try. So I've been doing this for a while and it's been getting better and better. So I'm going to show you one simple trick that I guarantee will make you have better results. All right. So this is some marketing we're doing for a brand called Danger Bar, and I featured them in some other videos. It's a really cool brand. If you guys don't have time to make your own content or content creation, reach out to us, Nari Media. We do some really cool stuff here. So this is the first image. All right, so you can see here he has his Danger Bar in his hand. He's got the Danger Bar in the back pouch. This is all natural earth sourced ingredients. It's a really great product. And this is the gorilla that we use in a lot of our animations. This was originally generated with Nano Banana, and we have character referencing. So that's a different tutorial, but this is once you have your still image. So this is the still image we're going to use. Sometimes I'm still taking my images that are generated and throwing them into Canva, or you can use Photoshop or any image generation tool to get, the actual product and everything to line up. Because in a previous tutorial, I was saying, the writing and everything isn't the best, but I've been going in here and doing some Photoshop as well still, even with Nano Banana. So usually I'll teach going from first frame to last frame to give you that better control. But if you don't have as much time and you're just trying to pump out more content quicker, this is a really good trick. And I was super surprised at this. So, all right, so usually what I always do is I go over to Gemini and I say, hey, I want a prompt. Can you help me build a prompt? And this is to animate an image. And pretty much what I said was I wanted a cinematic, I wanted to slowly pan back, and I wanted to reveal the massive cliff, like 10 times higher, 10 times lower. Gemini was like, sure, here's a prompt with a slow pan. And then it said, it's kind of giving me too much. I already knew from the start, like colossal ancient cliff, like this wasn't gonna line up with my image. And then it gave me an image of a gorilla, and it's not even the one I wanted, right? So then what I did, now this is the tip here. I attached the image of the one I wanted to animate, and then I said, help me with the prompt. You kind of have to already know what camera angles you want and the effects you want, and if you want it cinematic, if you want it hyper realistic, if you want it to slowly pan in, pan out, pan left, up, down, etc. So once you know your camera angles, give it your reference image, and then it gave me the prompt right here. And it also gave me another image, which is whatever. So I took this prompt here. So I started a new chat. I attached my reference image. And you can even see animate the attached image, and then it gave me the prompt from help from Gemini, knowing it was doing a VO3. It did an amazing job. So check this out. First try. All right, guys, and just like that, one prompt, first try. Now you can see the few little steps you have to do to get there, but this will save you tons of time and you'll get better results. And I didn't need to work on 2 images first and edit those images to make sure the product looks the same. Now, if you're not doing product image, like if you're not having the character hold a product or use a product, maybe you don't need frame to frame, but yeah. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found some value in this, and don't forget to like and subscribe.